Forging a wrench into a knife, and we need to get started by firing up the forge. We want that warming up so we can stick our wrench in there and get it warm. It's almost hammer time. Once we get our wrench up to temperature, we want to be keeping it above orange, nice red. I'm opening those jaws up because I want to use the mass of the head on that wrench for my blade. So I'm getting the jaws opened up. We're going to be drawing out the handle later because it'll be a blacksmith style knife, so it is all one piece. You don't need to add handle scales or anything. It's a pretty simple starting project. So right now, got to keep on heating it up. Want to maintain that heat so I don't end up cracking my steel or anything by working it too cold. So I want to keep on, once that color starts to drain, throw it right back in the heat, get it warmed up again. So heat, beat, repeat. Keep on working at it. And I'm getting that drawn out, getting a nice blade shape on there. Just keep on working at it until it all starts to really come into view. You can see what the final shape is going to look like approximately. And once we get past that point, then we will start drawing out that handle to become a knife handle. So we're just finishing up with some of that color drained out. You don't want to hit it as hard. You do more planishing blows, which helps remove some of that scale and just kind of shape the surface of the steel. And now I've moved on to the handle. I'm getting that drawn out because generally with a blacksmith style knife, you'll get that drawn out and then you curve that rat tail around on top of itself. So it's basically doubled up and that becomes your handle. I'm getting the curve there and turning it over. So now we're pulling it into place here. Curve it up with the scrolling tongs. And then a bit more pounding. And now we have it basically finished. All the shaping is done. Time for heating it up. Dunk in the quenching oil. And then time to go into the temper oven. And I was in too much of a hurry and left a lot of my oil on there. So we have fire. Get the fire taken care of. Back in there, I soak at about 400 degrees for about an hour when I do these unknown steels, just to kind of try and hit the middle ground there. And there we have. Easy beginning project, blacksmith knife out of recycled steel from an old wrench.